Hi guys, Mark from Custom Dynamics, back again with another install video. Today I'm going to be installing the new Shark Demon for the Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing. Comes with the Shark Demon, brackets, hardware, and then 3 different harnesses so you can pretty much put it on any model motorcycle. The Road Warrior fairing from Memphis Shades you'll have to purchase separately. So I'm going to put it on a 2011 Street Bob here. So let's get after it. All right, guys, I'm here at the bike. First thing we want to do is get rid of this the headlight here. It's just one bolt at the bottom and a wire harness that goes inside the neck here, and there's a little rubber grommet. You pull that out of the way, you can pull the harness out. All right, guys, we're here at the bike, right at the neck where the plug is. You're actually, this little rubber grommet here, you pull it out of the way, and then you can access the wiring harness. You're simply just going to push the tab down and unplug it. And we're going to use the Dyna, because we're using a Dyna here plug for the installation, which just goes to the Shark Demon, and this will plug in here to our existing hardware harness. All right, guys, we're here at the bench. We got the Memphis Shades fairing flipped upside down here. First thing we got to do is we're gonna have to trim this or leave it in some way to allow the Shark Demon to fit in the fairing. You can, like I said, you can cut it down a little bit with a Dremel or a side cutters like I have here. But what I've been doing, kind of make a couple little relief cuts, just enough to make this flex a little bit, because then we can set the Shark Demon in there and it kind of holds it for us. What we're going to do is install first our Shark Demon Memphis Shades brackets. They are marked left and right side, left side, and then we got our nice logo on there. So first thing we're going to do there is get them attached using the 6mm hex heads. We'll get the Memphis Shades brackets that come with the Memphis Shades, or that you have to get when you get the Memphis Shades fairing. You'll slide them actually underneath our bracket, and you'll set it like that so it lines up. Then they have these button head pieces that come that go through the fairing, and then we also supply a Allen head and a washer. So when you put that up through theirs and start ours, once you get them started in there, it'll look something like that. I'll go ahead and get it all at least in there, not quite tightened, everything snug down, and show you what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got it in here. Everything's still snugged up loose a little bit. So this is how you want it to look when it's in there the right way. Like I said, you're going to have so much, you'll be able to move these. You want to make sure you can still move them just a little bit, nothing crazy. These are still loose too, because you'll have to loosen the top ones, loosen these to get your headlight aligned where you want it. So leave everything, like I said, just snug it up loose. That's so crazy right now. But now we're gonna put it onto the bike to see where we want it, and then go from there. Okay, guys, now we're gonna mount the fairing, which holds the headlight, onto the bike. I've got the brackets up here, and they tell you where to measure them and set them, and then you can adjust it. Here's our plug. We're going to plug it in to our Shark Demon. We're simply going to do a quick release setup with hinges. Put them in the bottom, rotate it up to the top, lock them in place, which that was very lucky that I got it right. And that's as simple as it is. And then you can, like I said, there's so much play where you can set it up or down or move it around. I put the windshield on to get the height of the windshield right. Make sure it's just straight on the bike. That's all you really want to do. And then of course, we want to adjust our headlight so it's aimed properly, which those are in the instructions on how to do that properly. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna tidy up all this stuff, get everything tightened up, and come back and let you see what you think and take a look at it. Well, that's it, guys, for the Shark Demon for the Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing. So I would just recommend sticking with the 5 3/4. So it fits in there snug and tight and looks really good. But the really nice thing about it is it makes it the fairing almost a little more stable as well, because it puts a brace on the back side of that fairing, and it makes it nice and solid. And it's a good looking option. There's a lot of these Road Warrior fairings out there, so this is my personal favorite because I have this on my personal bike. But this, that's it. It's very simple, easy install. There's a low beam, got the high beam, super bright, DOT, and as always, you can pick this up at your local drag specialties dealer, and of course, CustomDynamics.com.